Pampanga Vision and Mission. Vision. We envision Pampanga as a competitive province that is effective, transparent, and responsive, duly governed and managed by competent and committed human resource where peace, love, and respect to the environment reign in the heart of every Kapampangan. Mission. The provincial government of Pampanga adheres to uphold effective and comprehensive delivery of social services, role model in terms of good governance, environment protection, promotion of culture, peace, and catalyst of change through sustainable trade and investment, quality and affordable education, availability of needed infrastructure and public utilities where its public officials, private sectors, and the Kapampangan are partners and committed to the principles of common unity, love of country, and dedicated service, God Almighty.